this in-depth review of the cigarette lighter spy camera. I'm going to hold it in my hand so you can get a good idea of the size of it. Right here is the lens, and right over here is the microphone. Now the connectivity of this camera is via USB. Just pull this off. And here's the USB plug to connect to your computer. This camera does require a MicroSD card. I'm going to install one right now. I'm going to show you how to do that. Simply just insert it, push it in like so. Right over here, inside is the activation button. In order to use the activation button, of course, this goes on. This pushes the activation button inside the camera in order for it to be able to function. So that's how it works. Just push it right back on like that. Now this camera has a one-button function right here. You have to press it certain ways in order for you to use the functions of the camera, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Now to turn the camera on, you just press and hold the button down for a few seconds. Let go. And right now the camera is recording on sound control standby mode. What happens is, the way this works, once the camera detects at least 65 decibels of sound, it will start to record for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, if the camera does not detect at least 65 decibels of sound, it will turn off. Now, what happens is, once it turns off, it will automatically save a video as an AVI file on the memory. Now to turn off sound control mode, just push the activation button. And now you see a steady light right there. So sound control mode is off and it is now in standby mode. Now to take a photo with this camera, all you have to do is push the activation key and you're going to see it blink once and go steady. Like so. To take another photo, push again. To take another photo, push again, and so on. Every time you push it, it's going to blink, go steady. That means you took a photo. And every photo you take is saved as a JPEG file on the memory. Now to take continuous, regular video, just press the function button for 2 seconds and let go. Now you see the light is flashing continuously. So right now the camera is recording continuous video. To stop the video, just press it once and it goes back into standby mode. To turn the camera off, all you have to do is just push the function button for a few seconds, let go, and now the camera is off. Okay, so I'm going to be recording some test footage, take some photos, and I'm going to see how it turns out. So please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm taking test footage of this cigarette lighter spy camera. I'm going to be testing the video, the sound. Let's see how it turns out. Make sure you're holding the camera right. Always make sure that the writing on the camera is facing upwards. Of course, that you're pointing the lens towards the footage you're taking. Okay, so there you have it. This was a review of the cigarette lighter spy camera.